How to change password on iPhone. Changing your password on an iPhone can refer to either your device passcode, Apple ID password, or a specific app password. So, if you want to change your device password, you have to follow this simple step and watch the video till the end. First step is that navigate to your setting here. So, after opening up your setting app, scroll down to find your Face ID and passcode, and just enter your passcode here. After successfully entering your passcode, you can see here you can just go for the change passcode option. Just tap on that. And you have to write your current passcode. After writing your current passcode, you can also go for the passcode option and write the 4-digit numeric code or 6 digit. You can see that here. Just go for that and just go for the custom option too. And just tap on the next option and you have to verify your new passcode and just go for the done option which is on the upper right corner of your screen. And after that, you will successfully change your device password like this on your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching.